Welcome to Sakrete Pro Tips, how to mix by eye. Anytime you are mixing concrete repair products, if you need the whole container, you are going to read the instructions on the container and put that amount of water. That way you know it is going to perform as desired. But in the real world, often repairs are partial containers. So that's when we mix by eye. So what does that mean? It means that any of the repair products, we're going to measure out in equal parts to water. So what we do is 4:1 as our beginning point. 4 parts powder to 1 part water. So what is a part? A part is any equal measure. It could be a scoop, tablespoon, teaspoon, doesn't matter. 4:1 in the case of repair, powder to water. We've measured it out. Now we're going to mix the materials. You always add water first, then start adding your powder and mix. Now remember, whatever this ends up is a starting point. The consistency you desire is very simple to reach. You can add more powder for a thicker patch. You can add more water for a more fluid grout. Always add the water first and then start adding the powder and mixing. Now, once you add your 4:1 and get it mixed, you're going to be able to freely adjust to the consistency you wish. And that is how we mix by eye.